So we cooking now, baby. How's everybody doing? Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, grab a neighbor, and come on in. Today we are grilling, getting it in. I am your host, hashtag Chef Divine Wisdom. Let's see what we have in the grill, baby. If it ain't flame broil, I don't want it. I don't want it. Holla hashtag Chef Divine Wisdom. What I'm doing, I'm flame broiling hamburgers and hot dogs. Shut it. Let's go, let's flow. Share it out to somebody you know what I'm doing. I'm grilling today. Hello. That's flame broil for you. You see? Like, share, and subscribe. Chef Divine over here. What? Flame broiling. 100% beef. Yeah, that's what's for dinner. Let's flow. We over here grilling that hashtag better eat hello. I got me some what? Flame broil grill going on here. Don't do this at home unless you what? Trained to know how to get it in. I know it look like a Burger King commercial, but this a hashtag better eight commercial where you hashtag eight juice on what? Flame broil. Nothing but 100% beef. Now, let's get us some cheeseburgers going, shall we? Load that cheese on there, baby. Mm, mm, mm. Also, when your grill is booming like this, piping hot, all you do is take this lid, close it, and let it cool down. You dig? Be safe and be careful while grilling. Remember, this is a hot surface, so do not touch and be careful while cooking. Peace and blessings. Enjoy your grilling and be safe while grilling. We are done. I have officially fed everybody. Now we're going to just let that burn out. And then I'm going to fry a steak on there. Yeah, I'm going to fry a steak on there. But I'll holler at you later. Until next time, this has been hashtag Chef Divine Wisdom. Peace and blessings. Go get your grill on and be safe while grilling. See you at 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Where you say a hashtag better eats where you better eat. Choose some hamburgers, which are steak burgers. Peace and blessings.